Vivian, right back down to the 12, the buy position. The algo is already bought 6 times.
Guys, I'm warning you right now, we're going on YouTube, so if ever you have anything you don't want to disclose, this is my warning.
I'm straight.
All right, so we hit well, I'm not going to start talking for YouTube, but this is for you guys. We hit the 96.4, 96.5 area on Bitcoin right now. So um, we had this TA this morning pretty early. Early bird got the worm. And now your caution flag is out on Bitcoin, and we want to wait to see if this pattern is going to actually pitch its tail and come back to your 94.7 or continuation failed tail. Everybody's happy. Your next target will be 98.63, in my opinion. Only, of course, not financial advice. Um, I'm not here to tell you what to do. I'm just here to show you my trades and trade with you. Happy trading. All right.
All right. Virgin Classic SPCE hit a high of 760 in the pre-market, currently down 720. Rivian hit a huge pothole, now down below 12.
Fucking Sammy.
Yeah, XRP's throwing those up. They're trying to throw those wicks like they're cells up there right now, and now the big candle just took it back.
Look, they threw me off because I had to get Remy ready for school. I'm taking school. Gabby's
Nope.
there.
Open mic.
Gabby's there to take it home. I had to go home.
Matrix is broken. Your mic is open, buddy.
All
All
right,
my
let's open it.
I'm giving you 10 seconds and I'm moving your room. Just for privacy purposes, we are on YouTube.
way out of the way for me.
4, 3,
Like 15 minutes.
2, 1. Disconnect.
Bink.
Oh, wait. How is that possible? What do I have? Tron? Oh, hold on. $sign.
I need to spend like my wife does.
$sign BALS? What do I have left for the group here? We have here. Okay.
Let me see what I got. Hold on. Let me measure.
Clive, you probably have all pussy coin.
That's what everything you guys have given me.
Thanks, Sammy.
Shay.
It's nothing, but you know.
Oh,
All
shit.
good. It's all good.
Just a thought. Nice.
What's up, Biscuit in the house?
NVIDIA breaking 140.
You know, Crow is coming back. I've been holding Crow overnight, and it was negative like $20, and now it's back. It's only $4 negative. So I don't really crazy about it, but it's kind of been beaten up.
This is our live stream. If anybody wants to, I'm not gonna get annoying with it, but I may. And they'll get better and better. I'm just doing the basics at the moment. Get used to it. Swim around, not without drowning. for now, keeping my head above water, man. It's been pretty cool, I have to say. It's motivating me. And this will be my work for the winter to make trades and accumulate. Slow and steady wins the race. Okay,
I've
so we're
seen
going
the
to set a
stock.
goal for the account for today, right? We need to set a goal. I mean, we took profits out yesterday, put it in the bank, felt very good. Now we're going to do the what? Today's account. What do we want to make a day reasonably as an average trader who doesn't put a lot of money in it? Is $100 a day a lot? Is 200 bucks a
Yeah,
lot? It's a
100
lot, right?
is
If you
fine.
make $50 for the day sitting at home, I mean, at the end of the week,
Yeah.
you know, it's not a huge pay, but it's passive income. Well, with more confidence, you can put more. A good goal is a percentage amount. Yeah, because everybody has a different budget. Yeah, exactly, strings. So for me, to give example on, well, the last trade was not a good example because I didn't even know it was already in the positive till Sammy said something. But on a 50x, 100% trade is very obtainable, and I would usually get out at those numbers. XRP is still trying to push. This thing is out of control.
Yeah, it's going for $3 and then see what happens. And Doge is pushing right now. I'm gonna go in on Doge again.
Yo, here we go.
XLM, I'm not.
Bam! Let's go. I got it. Fuck yeah! I got this candle too. Here you go. Look, they're not big amounts, but like I say, here's your candle. One candle, 10-second trade.
Let's see, XLM.
And I'm out. Of course, you can see that I put average entry, average close price. You're going to go for your next one. That's a complete FOMO, but there's a lot of buying pressure here. And you're going to secure those trades. You're not going to fucking give them back. So we're going to try another one right here. It's not so strong. We're going to take what we get and we're going to get out because that's what we do. That's what I do. I don't think anybody has to do this, but just to say, like, we're going to grab everything we can because if some douchebag comes in with a red candle, everything that you put there is gone.
Mm-hmm.
So you start to see a little sell pressure now. I would have already given back that $4 and that $15 on this little red thing. Now, I have a chance to get back in now, even with a little minimal amount if I want. Why aren't I even on the right chart and why aren't I showing you my account? For fuck's sake, I thought I was. I gotta get used to this YouTube shit. And okay, XRP, very nice. This is what we're trading at the moment. And then we have
Quick piece of advice, Turbo.
mhm.
This is how I trade. I do not look at a daily. I look at targets for my particular item. So when for me, looking at I want to make this much a day is difficult in short. If I was set a metric, I would set it as what is the overall market doing. That being said, like our major market is BTC. So if you can make on any particular day, if you were to set a metric, I would set it as if BTC is up 2.5% for the day. That should be my metric to uh, measure myself over.
Mhm.
I don't like daily goals. I like quarterly and yearly goal. My goal is 15% per year. Long
Yeah,
term,
because you can have a losing day, you can have a winning day, but over a year, it still grows your portfolio without having too much expectations on a daily basis, right?
the
Just
big player is Warren Buffett. He makes 12% to 14% the last 50 years. Over.
nice. So XRP is a little hot at the moment. I can see the left wing, left ear, right wing up on the inverted would be a small candle on your small time frame here. Not that small, but a move to the downside. Those are fun because you can buy them. So XRP 255 would hold with that and you'd swing back for your top side. At the moment, we're not even close. They're not even letting this move down, but I'm pretty keen on taking that trade if we do. Man, they're trying to hold it here. There's a fight going on right now in the 1 minute. So much fun. Here it comes. Down move. 262, 261. Now, if I'm correct, this is right wing up. It's going to do a 180. It's going to go right back for the highs again. And that's the move I'm going to get right back in for like 20 seconds, man. So this, like, when you see this move happen, when you anticipate it, it's not an I told you so. It's okay, we're at the right spot. We know what we're doing. Entry coming. Stop loss. Uh, whatever you're ready to accept as a loss, really. I mean, nobody should tell you your stop loss should be somewhere because the chart says that. It's just, you want to take $5, you want to take a $50 stop loss. That's something that you can only judge. Okay, this is where I'm gonna hold on, wait, on my screen here. I hate to hesitate because I lose profit by hesitating. I should have hit my button already, but I am distracted with a DM at the moment, so I'm gonna sit. Yeah, exactly. Okay, that's fine. We're still gonna do half an entry here because we don't want to have that. We're gonna wait 1 second. Three. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah. All right. Good. My intuition is good. Perfect. That's it. Go hit my target, bitch. Pink. There it is. Oh, no, 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 no. Don't do that. volume candles. Volume's coming in. You see your volume here. You're not, you know, it's matching the price action. So nothing to be alarmed. What you want to make sure, well, I mean, what would be a great telltale sign of a fake out would be if your volume doesn't come in too strong here, and you see, and your move turns around. Wham! Um, I don't know. I have things to learn on volume. I pretty much just do it as a visual thing. You know, I don't want to see volume candles engulf what's on the left. At least not like the previous 10 candles. You know, that's kind of like a good rule for me. Your stochastics are low on the one, and that's about it. 15's up high on XRP. You have your 45's on the way up. 1 hour has a lot. Wow, the 1 hour cooled down, didn't it? Beautiful, actually. It's crossed over. Let's take a look at. Okay, 4 hour has crossed to the downside. It's not alarming. You could bounce on the 50 of that, and you would have a second healthy push to the top side. Daily still has room to move up. Okay, we see enough on XRP at the moment. Watch for that weekly cross to the top. We've seen that these things can actually hover at your top of your weeklies for quite a bit, man. I mean, this one went from July 2024, juillet, août, septembre, 3 months. We are talking about XRP here, but okay. Enough on XRP. Doge. Yeah, I mean, you got to be careful on these dog coins right now because your pattern's printed, you are replicating it. You don't want the same outcome as the previous one because Doge will break lower than the 40s. Now, in my opinion, that wouldn't be so bad. So for Doge, we're going to set a box on our small time frames, 1, 5, 15. We get a nice story on what's happening with our 0.5 from our daily range. It's pretty much a daily range here, right? If we put a daily candle on. Yeah? Bam, bam. Bam, bam. Okay. And what we don't want to see on Doge is this turn into a turbo bat fractal, which would give you this. People would not be happy because then you would be taking your bigger range on Doge. 31 would be your 0.5. So before all of that happens and you go sell everything you have, just remember that we are still sitting above our 0.5 locally. And everything is fine at the moment. This is not that pretty. Bitcoin on a typical reversal pattern to the downside. You have a bat fractal. You have your bottom here, which comes in retests. This is all inverted. I just see them better. What you're doing here is a typical, check this out, Wyckoff bottoming pattern here. And if we get a spring, which is a break of our highs, you have a fat chance that this thing comes back up, breaks through our previous lows, hits the top of the right ear, flips it, and goes to the macro 0.5 of the entire move. Whoops.
Oh, that's nice. You let 10 in.
Yes, sir. Everybody's
Behaves down
innocent
10.
until proven guilty
Yeah.
in my Discord.
We're not going to be, or Jay's not going to be like someone else that forgets about it too much. But
Nah, I mean, listen, I've been his age,
yeah,
you know?
yeah, and he went through some shit too, and
I think he's
it's
pretty
fine.
fucking docile. I have no problem with him. Uh, yeah, I mean, I've never had a problem with him. I barely read what's in general. In this
Yeah.
chat, I'm reading everything, but in Bees, I was barely reading it because it's like the petri dish for arguments. It's incredible.
Plus,
So,
people
although
respond.
there's a
If
lot
you,
of good people that get lost in the background in Bees, right? That's the main issue. So, not bad mouthing it, but yeah, we'll see if the same people that are in here cause the same problems, which I doubt. I doubt.
it's
I don't even categorize them as the same people, to be honest, brother. You know my heart where it is. I think everybody's the same.
Hey, good morning, everyone. I just closed my XYO position that I opened last night.
Oh,
It
fuck
actually
yeah.
went up 40%.
Yeah, great, dude. Fantastic. Take
Yeah, double my
profits, of
money.
course.
Well, it didn't double, but I made 50%.
That's fine. Did you make money that you wanted to make?
Yeah, I mean, I only put $200. I made $100,
Well, there you go.
and I gotta pay my light bill, so I'm about to
Wow.
use that for the light.
That's it.
Hey,
Yeah, my last three trades have been
yeah,
successful.
Isaac, mic's open. I don't know if you're trying to talk or
brother.
not.
Oh yeah, I was trying to say, hey brother, look, if you made $100 off $200, excellent trade. Nothing to be worried about.
Yep.
I have a small bag, I want to get like you guys, but I'm building.
No, you don't want to get like us. You want to trade maybe and 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 learn from certain ways, but you do you. That's the only place you're going to be comfortable to succeed, bro. Don't compare yourself to anybody.
No, yeah, I
That's
just mainly comparing myself more of like the technical aspect and perhaps the discipline that you guys have like acquired during the years and still perhaps working on it.
hmm
Um, but yeah.
good. Good. Well, if you have anything you want to share when you do your own trades, we're always willing to take a look, man, for sure.
Yeah, right before you got off yesterday when you went to sleep, that's when I got into XYO and even my helium position is kind of up right now. Helium mobile.
Awesome. Awesome.
But I still
XRP.
haven't gotten into XRP, which I feel like FOMOing me.
If you FOMO, you are probably gonna get wrecked on it, but I'm not gonna say that I'm not FOMOing the moves, but my finger's on the button and I am trading it on 1 minute charts at the moment. There's a lot of things that are gonna run that haven't even done what XRP is doing and XLM. I mean, here we're gonna grab another 25% trade here.
Yeah, my XLM needs to run. I actually kind of bought the top on a small bag. I bought it at 60, so I'm down a little bit on it, but I think it's gonna go higher than that.
hmm See, too much confidence there. I said we're gonna grab 25%. I'm waiting for it. It doesn't go to 25. It starts to drop. I'm out. I don't keep it. Whatever it gave me is great because if it shoots a candle to the downside, I'm fucked. No, I'm not fucked. I mean, the account can handle it. There's no liquidation on this account for that because I'm not getting into positions that are too heavy. I can sustain those positions down to zero on XRP. So I'm saying I'm fucked for my 1 minute trade. You get out, you wait again. So I made $1 on that last trade. Let me see if it even gave me the dollar. Oh, look, see, I didn't even make $1 on it. I made fucking 35 cents. I saved my ass. But I hit the button, you know? I don't I don't wait and say, "Oh, maybe." I understand the higher time frame has room to move. I understand what it looks like. But in the meantime, on these oscillations, up, down, I profit from them. And so can you. McDonald's collapse? No. Oh, maybe I should buy some, Clive. MCD. MCD. Let's go to MCD. I'm buying it. Yeah, MCD. Do I have that in MCD? I don't have McDonald's on BTCC. The fuck? How can I not have McDonald's? Hey yo, what are you talking about here? McDonald's. MCD. I do not have McDonald's. Well, fuck me. Okay, next. Ixnay on McDonald's, Clive. Is anybody trading anything now? Or we not awake yet, huh? It's 10 a.m. I've been lit since 5 this morning.
Yeah, I had a good.
DJT, Donald J. Trump. I've been holding that one, been selling off like 10% every time it kind of like passes my target.
Mm-hmm. How
Gala,
can I?
of course.
Gala, yeah, yeah. Okay, guys, we don't know on this 1 minute at the moment if we want to scalp, if it's left wing, left ear, right ear, fake out, right wing up first. I'm gonna wait for that on XRP because because bats. That's why. And obviously, if it does not pass here or the 0.5, I'm not gonna chart it all, but you know my ways. Every pivot has a box, then I will long it as soon as it breaks. Not this one, this time around. This one's a fake out. If they come and touch this, you're gonna get a sell off. Boom for this move. If it passes this, it's gonna creep up, hit this one, tink. That's your move. I'm setting up for it on my trade right now, and we'll see what happens on it. Not financial advice at all. Just cat theory. We're going to erase this. We're going to put you the 2 lines there, and we're going to see what happens. Horizontal line, bam. That's your trigger here and your rejection. This is your takeoff point. Only on this move. Usually, I would say this is your trigger right here. The problem with that is this trigger will take my order, but my finger is on it for a move down. So I'll get out. I take a $1-2 loss. But if buys come in or longs, look at, I mean, it took my order right now on my chart. You see, you can't even. Okay, you see how it stops here? Watch now. That should pop. See you later. I'm on 60% on my trade, 62%, 68, 69, 70. Let's go! 75. Bam, you take that. That's the first breather. P&L, we're going to take that out because that was a good one and I don't want to brag. Bam. Okay, that's how Turbo trades, man. That's what I do every day. I already have what? 4, 5 of them under my belt for the day. They're all banked. I don't have to wait. That's it. That's all. Now it's going to pop. Let's see. Now I'm out of this. I'm not FOMOing this move. I don't care about it. I have my money made. Oh shit. I am back in this move. What? I had 2 orders? Oh my lord. Flash close. No, I never closed my order.
So you got a little, you gained a little more, maybe.
I got a little extra. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's hilarious, dude. That is funny as shit. That is funny as shit.
Yeah. Link is. I went back in after taking a little profit before, and now
Look,
back in.
now it's closed. You know why I got this new keyboard? And I swear the keys they stick. Somebody repackaged this thing and sent it out. And the first sign was that I had little oily finger signs on it. And I said, fuck it, I need the keyboard. So I kept it, but I see why they returned it. XRP, second move. Okay, we have
Yeah, I'm
some
in a long on XLM.
beautiful.
Working out pretty well.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
XRP, XLM, and Link. My positions right
I'm
now.
also in on Tezos and Solana.
Nice.
The Solana one's not working out too well yet, but
You see how these reaction points are solid because you know a pattern and you know that the chart repeats what it does in these areas. Look, no joke, exactly what we talked about. Trigger for the order. My finger's on the button in case it goes the opposite way. The second it hits this, gone. Bam, bam. That's what you look for. And you're out. I'm back in another trade now, but I mean, I'm just nuts. But I also know what I'm doing. I'm out. That was another trade here. I'll post it. I'm just posting to encourage you that if this is your shit and you're okay, here's your red candle when I got out. Beautiful exit. Beautiful exit. Be careful if it engulfs it. It's going to go right back for the green line here, your trigger point. If it holds that, get back in a long, non-financial advice. You can swing back to at least your tops. Now look at this buy pressure. Oh my lord. Look at that. That is insane. These people are hungry for XRP. Somebody's going to try to sell this shit off right now. Come on. There's a right wing coming up. I don't know where it is, but future fibs is the only way I can tell. We could do a very quick future fib here off of the cat. It's actually very simple. Bottom of the left ear, bam, top of the right ear, set your box, clone it. Your 0.5 hits have been beautiful. We're going to take him, we're going to bring him right up here. That's your first retest. You're red. Bam. We're going to take a half box from him. We're going to put him here. We're going to take the same box. We're going to clone him. We're going to leave him at the half. Half. Because now you're peaking and it's going to take a lot to move the chart at the moment here because there's usually there is sell pressure here that makes you check these points, right? In case of that, well, we're sitting on the blue line, right? We expect it
that's
to
usually.
fail, but bam. Let's see what happens. What's that, Kwai?
I said, well, that's usually.
Well, that's usually, but XRP right now, I mean, this motherfucker's been waiting a while to break out its shells, so this is not something you want to fucking, you know,
The
give
mini bull
diff
flag on a 1 minute.
Biddy
Oh
bull
wait,
flag?
is that one? On a 1 minute. Well, it's only like what, red candle, green candle. I'm up on it, but I'm ready to get out if it. My stop is right below it.
Psh.
Am I loud enough, guys?
Yeah, you good, bro.
I don't know
We're
what
back
the
in
fuck goes on
recoveries
with
for
mine.
fast junk food.
Yeah, there it goes
Clive,
on my
the pullbacks and
picture stuff.
recoveries for fast junk food. Fuck yeah, T Black. Let's go.
XLM is pulling back. How far can it go?
Mm. You see the move on XRP right at the line? That's good. This is very good because it puts us in check.
Doge is
This is our
making a
fail
real
line at the
move.
moment. Right here, 271. We break back above it, you're most probably breaking out of this box 276. It's that simple. And we'll see it happen if it happens. The math hasn't changed. All the divisions are right. We're going to keep, I don't know. I'll fucking jump back in, man. Not financial advice. But I'm not doing it yet. Absolutely not.
My
If this
Coinbase
is
is working.
if this is a common bat fractal, it's going to do this right now. Bam, hold here, attempt to right wing up. If the sellers are, I would think, doing what they need to do, that will come down after, like this. If this thing is meant to push another right wing up, I mean, you have your pattern, it's here, right here. Wee! But look what comes after. Bam!
Two, 257.
Look at this. Boom! zero point 0.5. You see the hits? XRP loves to do that. Absolutely loves to do it. It's not a joke. Same 0.5, dips below, comes above, rechecks the top, gone. 0.5 of that, gone. 0.5 of that, gone. It's nuts. I love XRP for that. All right, let's see let's see what we're doing.
What leverage are you using on XRP, Jay?
XRP, I'm using exactly 50x with $20
Wow.
entries to make the money that I'm making.
Damn. I'm only at 20x
Yeah, but how much are you
with
putting in? You don't have to tell me,
yeah.
but I mean,
No, I'm putting in what? Yeah, $50 or less.
okay.
50, maybe
Well,
40.
it's much safer. I'm not gonna lie. It moves quick when you do what I'm doing, but I'm I'm fully aware that when I change different coins, the leverage just works differently, man. Like some will be extremely risky well only on 5x. Everything that has all those zeros in front, I never trade with a lot of leverage at all. Nor do you need to.
I mean,
Okay.
when I go to 30x, now it might be easier because we're stronger trend on the upside. And if you don't put your stops too close like I do, I get, it always comes basically, I got to move my stop down lower, but I don't like to see, $20 negative. You know what I mean?
hmm
It's just,
Whenever I
that's what
buy
it does.
shib and I trade it, my average sitting, meaning why before I do a DCA, I'm usually between $100 and $400 in the negative. I do one DC, it's always the same fucking move. I do one DCA, I bring myself up close to the point 0.5, the damn thing gives me my profits that I need.
Yeah.
But I'm ready to sit on it. I don't mind. I always somewhat isolate that trade from everything else that I'm doing to protect it.
Right.
Yeah.
Let me try 30x on XRP. The most on let me see what the most is. Yeah, 50x on XRP is the most I can do on Blowfin.
Also, for the ones on YouTube or anybody that watches me do this, these are not exact drawings. They're just directions. So I try to put the targets of where it'll hit exactly based on the 0.5s and the fib 618s hit a lot too, mostly 0.5s. But, you know, don't come after me because it's not doing exactly what I'm drawing. This is a prediction I'm giving you for the move down on what can happen on a bat fractal. This should not be, oops, in the picture, but you know, this is a huge possibility, regardless if it happens up here or here. You know, this is what I look for as a fake out. Clearly, if people are buying it, you're not going to get the move down. You're actually going to have the reverse of this move. You come up, you just do a little tap, and then you rip. I am not in this move at the moment. I'm going to wait for that retest because I don't want to get caught in this move.
Tesla's up like almost $9, 880. Did you check your high tide lately?
Oh, market's open, high tide. Look at the price of it. Look, my target a month ago, 2 months ago, I said buy high tide, not financial advice. You're up another 10% today. It was at 190 when I said that. Canadian, 190 Canadian. It's at 485 today.
Wow.
Matches bought it. Congratulations and held it.
Nice.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm very happy about that call because I followed it. I gave the TA for it, but over here I'm gonna keep strong on it. You know, it's okay to go against Clive sometimes when it comes to stocks, you know. Um, the damn thing already did what? Three almost 2.5x, and that's okay. It could shit the bed after and be worth nothing. But the move is still there in the chart, you know? Oh, XRP. Come on, baby. This will be the biggest fake out if they bring it up for a higher high here and they drop the wing like I just did here. It'll be your cat. Left ear, right ear, body down, fails the 0.5 and keeps going down. They don't even have to bring it up here like I mentioned before, but primarily your bat fractal, which is bullish. I mean, for the right wing to push up. Well, the right wing, I call it, yes. You have your break of the highs and then your drop.
Okay, Bitcoin 96.8 70, 890. Big candle coming in green.
There's a bottoming cat on XRP if it does not pass 273. I'm gonna short it for the tail all the way to 265. As you're inverted at the moment. I'm looking at my right side up on this chart that I'm streaming. I'm looking at my inverted on my other chart to see if I can short it. I mean, it's crazy to short, but they're just quick moves. to get wrecked on.
I love it when a coin moves like this. The price is twitching. The order book is flashing.
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
There goes Link again.
It's too bad I don't have the 1 second or the 15-second on this. I'd be way ahead of the chart. I can do it on Bitcoin, but I'm not trading Bitcoin at the moment. So as selfish as it is, I'm spending more time on what I'm trading to fill up the bag, and not the bag, the wallet, I guess. And yeah, so this short is already in. This line is the holy shit, just for the continuation as down, or a wick pink if it holds this blue line. Yeah. Set a stop
Take a
loss
look
buy
at
long. There you go.
take a look at shib. It looks like it's throwing a tail here, but just got it's one of those areas where it
Bam!
could roll
Look at
over.
that. Fucking J, man. Come on. First entry here,
They're gonna go in on 20.
in my opinion. Boom, we're already up 18%. And if it doesn't hold, you get the fuck out, because this could be the tail to the. And futures is not the same as my trading view at the moment. I'm getting out of this one for a sec. Okay, we lost nothing on that. Perfect. That's always a good trade when you lose nothing. All right. We'll try this again. Don't be afraid to get out of trades if you're scalping the small time frames. Every channel does not revolve around higher time frame and smaller time frame and whatever. We try to accommodate to everything in here. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, this is good though. It could have gone the other way. And if you're playing with serious money, you don't want to get wrecked. So better to look at this cat now. I think we're gonna almost move this. Almost. Almost. Jesus. Okay. Let's do this. I'm gonna do a little. Well, that touched it. Theoretically, as soon as these wicks get clicked here. Ow! Go click them. It's so damn precise. It's unreal. Unreal. Ah, come on. The bots know they need to put. Yes, there it goes. Okay. Okay. Yes. Right ear. Hit. Next target coming up. We got 40, 54, 60, 70% trade. 54, we'll take a 54 exit. All right. Ba-bam. P&L. I'm sorry. I'm just not. I mean, we could always be completely transparent, but just bear with me. There you go. Look at that exit with that candle. Do you see that? Do you see that? Do you see that? If I didn't exit, I would have given everything back right there in 1 second. Boom. Trade is 1026.31 seconds to 1026.53 seconds. We are on our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold on, I'm looking. 8. We are on our 8th trade of the day. We've been successful on every one. We've had no more losses than $1. And my account is up. I mean, I know you might think it's a crazy amount. It's not, but it's good for a morning of trading. I'm calculating. $271. $271. That's not bad, dude. That's like, I mean, I'm done, right?
That's
I don't need
amazing.
I don't need to trade more. That's
Good
what
work.
I'm going to teach
Well,
you in here.
that's how you keep your winnings.
That's right. And that's why it drives me absolutely fucking bonkers to hear the things I hear around me. Because I just did it live. I showed you everything transparently, apart for the last 3 trades, because they were higher up, and I don't want to like be like here. But I'm giving you an idea just to know that when I'm doing it in another group and I'm fighting off people, I can't give you these trades. When I'm doing it in another group and I have people putting emojis in general or doing things that are childish, you can't trust what you're hearing because you can't even see it happening. Well, this is what this group's all about, man. You want to be in here, you want to make these quick trades and make money. I've always said it. Get with me on a 1-minute chart. It's not financial advice. Do you? I'm calling the trades, and that's it. No responsibility. Don't come bitching at me after. I don't want to hear it. But I'm at work right now, and as of now, this is my job. So this is what I'm doing. You in, you in. You out, you out. Doesn't matter. It doesn't bother me. I love you all, but I'm happy to do it with you. And I'm the owner of the Discord. So I'm here with you guys. Remember that. Always. So let's go, man. We're waiting for XRP.
I took an XRP trade this morning.
Dude,
Full
XRP
send.
paid me today. That's good. So look, we came for the higher highs, correct? We talked exactly about this. We saw it happening. We knew it would happen. We put this guy over here, or it was over here, or okay, I don't remember if it. I think it was right. We said body of the cat up, down for the right wing of the bat. It wasn't exactly here. It was around here, let's say. Regardless, the move comes out because your boxes are accurate. You never broke what the fib is telling you. We even did a future fib on this. Fuck what the fib was telling you. We took what it already gave us and we extended it. Division, 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 division. Trust me, it's accurate. Don't trust me, it's not financial advice. Sorry, I keep forgetting we're on YouTube. But yeah, I mean, that's the way I do it, and it works for me. You know, I don't need to show my P&L every day. I'm showing you how it works in my way of seeing it, and I will not hate you if you don't, if you don't agree with it. It's just here, look, this is your next bat fractal. It's already developing. Left wing we know is a common place. It's common. It shares it. Left ear, right ear. Although we know that the previous play that just took place, that we traded, I'll get out and show you on the 5-minute. You're going to see it. No, I'm not. Hold on. Okay, so we're gonna remove the drawings fast, and we're gonna look at what just happened. Okay, we were scoping out what was an earlier cat on XRP, which was here. All right, we took our morning TA off of this stuff, and then we had our tail. The tail is always the face to the next cat. But it also, if you have a continuation up, is a bat fractal. So we did not have continuation up, but what we did have is from here, we redid the same pattern. I was showing Isaac this morning. That one broke the left wing. That's bullish. But there's a cat sitting here. The cat, when it does this, I don't know if it's bots, I don't know if it's humans, hedge funds, I don't give a fuck. I know it's coming to do this, regardless of if it's doing that. Because this move here that we were looking at, it's a very common move. It swings high, stops, sells off, holds the 0.5, hopefully. We still don't know yet. And then you long for the tail. That's the real move. This is the liquidity grab. This is the move. All right. So we're going to try to trade that again, but we're not going to trade it until the 1 minute, which a lot of people don't, really bother looking at, which is absolutely mind boggling. But 1 minute, 30 seconds. I mean, I can't get them on. Can I get them on this for? Oh my God, I can get it on next. Oh my God, I forgot that I got the membership. Oh my Lord. Well, that's gonna help. I've been so overwhelmed lately with the whole change and everything that I'm forgetting that I'm doing stupid shit like this. I bought the full thing the other day. Oh, we about to go into turbocharge mode. Yo, this not fair for the chart anymore. I forgot also that you could do this not only on BTC. What? Oh yeah, this is gonna be fun. I'm gonna show you trades on a much smaller time frame. This is gonna be even more fun. Okay, well we're gonna erase this chart because we know we're following fibs. We're gonna redo it. Okay, watch. Now we can clean it up. We know our fibs are right, so we're gonna take our low to our high, not our high here, because we just did that. We don't know if it's stagnant yet. This one's never going anywhere again, and I'll explain what I mean by that. He's the right ear to the cat. When you start to see him, you know that's your top, that's your retest. So my Turbonacci actually works really well in these areas, and you can see it right now happening. The reaction point is not on the 0.5. It would be your 618 if you take it from your top, but I like the 0.5s. So your cat is your range, your bumps. We're gonna do them accurately. Your you think you have a small body and you're gonna go fucking bananas on the chart, but you realize that if a cat had this size head and this body, he'd probably topple over. Right? Okay. Well, remember I said that because that's what happens. He topples over. But he makes his body now, right? Every time, fuck. Every fucking time the chart does this. And you'll start seeing it if you don't already in your own ways. This is one of them. It's a range, whether you see the cat or not. You break. Reaction candle. You consolidate, bam. For sure it can come back down. Absolutely. Nobody's going to tell you it can't or it can. But the point is it didn't. And if you would have taken this box and you would have done a future fib, I'm going completely blind with this. If it doesn't work, just erase everything I said in the past 15 seconds. Let's go for it. clone. And then we're going to take him and we're going to bring him right here. Oh my God. Look how confident you could be about the fibs. This is, I call them the fibs. It's just the box based on a 0.5. And it's stagnant, meaning it never changes. And a lot of people will change the fibs between log and log and I have a mind freeze. Linear, log, I guess. And although it's true on high time frames, once your box is set on the smaller time frames, don't worry about that. Look at this. Look at this box. Look at the line previous. Look at the recheck. Retest. Look at the range. And then you just continue this box up. We're going to take the full size one first because we just did a half box. And we're going to just check. Does it match? No. Does it match? Oh, fuck yeah, it does. Look. Division, division, division. Same division, same division. Expansion. Possible top before. Hold on. Possible top before a. Of course, people are thinking $3, whatever. Possible top before an expansion move, which would take longer. But build the pattern to a point where once everything is done, cycling through time frames, this is what will happen to XRP, in my opinion. Hold on. We gotta finish.
Morning.
What's up? What's up? I love hearing your voice. This. Okay. This is your consolidation, flip over, whatever we can call it you want. You don't. Expansion. Bam. Donnie talks about this. Just saying. We don't know where it is yet, but this shit ain't gonna keep climbing for 10 years. Okay, I'm done with that. Thank you for joining my TED Talk. What's up? Talk to me. Dirty.
Dirty. What's up, bud? I just woke up. I got the
Oh,
worst
that's
headache in
okay.
the world. I never
Your
had a
brother's on the
headache.
plane back home, in case you're not aware.
I did not know.
Or I don't know if it's a plane, but he said in the general he was on his way home. Damn, oh my lord, look at that. Are we going for a 0.5 again? XRP, bad fractal in progress. See ya. Turbo called it. What an exit. Beautiful. If you shorted that, good job, because I didn't keep my short. Okay, we want to hold above this 0.5 now. Oh, no. They're trying to sell this now, man. Come on. Push back above. It's uncanny, guys. I mean, once you start to do it over and over and over, you're going to realize how much of an edge you can have on this game. It's a game when you're doing this. It's not an investment. I'm not investing my money. I'm treating it as a game. And when you love what you're doing, you can make money.
A lot.
And then have your bags on spot. Do what you want with them. Set them and forget them. Okay, we need to fucking jump on one of these things right now, right? I mean,
Bro,
we
where
need
you
to
gonna
jump.
jump on? Yeah, XRP. Just
Well, yeah.
like
Yeah. I don't like the part it's at.
What?
I think
Why?
XLM is winning.
XLM? Let's check
I saw
XLM.
him. Same shit.
Yeah, but they do have different points on their charts.
No, I'm
X,
just saying. Like, I get them mixed up sometimes. Mm, I jumped in with 57,000 today,
I'm sorry, what?
and I jumped into XRP
Reaction
early.
candle. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's
Hang
do
on, let me
some.
fix my mic. I'll be right back.
No, you're good, bro. It's me interrupting you, buddy.
No,
You're
it's
good.
me. I don't like
You.
this phone. I'm switching.
Oh, okay.
Be right
XLM.
with
Let me see what that looks like on my other screen here. Yeah, I mean, no. Let me just check XRP again because I'm zoned in on that chart at the moment. Where did he go? Let's just go backwards. XRP, because it tells me what we're doing. Like I don't need to. Here, XRP, we have now our so we have left wing, left ear, right ear down. This is your attempt for right wing up. Okay, so then what we need is we need our half point again right here. It's that simple. Here to here. We're going to take that and we're going to look for a rejection around 269 on XRP. Will I mean, will at least retest anything that does not break above 269, let me be more clear, has a strong possibility to come back down to the 263, fail it, drop to the bottom of this box 255. If it does that, I mean, I'm buying there. I'll hold that for, I don't know, 10 minutes type of thing. So I'm not going to FOMO, I'm going to wait for that process, right? I know I have left wing, left ear, right ear down, right wing up always needs to pass the 0.5. It's the number one trigger. You can't not do it because then you get that. So we're going to wait for it to give us. And how do I know that? Because every time we drop, you just make yourself an imaginary cat here. Okay. You take your low, you take your first high, or where you start to see red candles, really doesn't matter. And you wait to see if he pitches a tail. That's your visual. Your visual will bring you to retest the 0.5 and reject. Oh, well, no, hold on. Let me take that back. And reject, I don't know yet. We're going to leave that one on the side. That nobody's going to tell you that until you go and recheck. I don't think anybody's going to tell you that personally. I've never seen somebody. Then again, I've never seen somebody chart cats and bats, but goddamn, it works. All right, here's your 0.5 recheck. What? Did we hit it? Hold on. Oh my gosh. Not yet, but it's strong. So this would have been a great long already after the dip. I was focusing on TA. Doesn't matter. I don't mind that I didn't take this trade. 0.5 and confirmation for me is, I mean, like I said, I take risky moves, but I also want to show detail by detail. I'm sure this is helping some people. I mean, it's just mechanics of the chart. So our little circle that was here, he got his hit. That's a trade if you're on the 1 minute. I would have known because the point five's there and it's a reaction point. I would have gone out right now, but this thing's probably going to go and shoot a little bit lower. I can be wrong. Again, XRP is fucking on steroids. But if it has nothing to do with XRP and it's just algos, then watch. We're just going to take our bar here. Although he might not complete the whole thing, this is what you anticipate from the rejection. So 1, 2, 3 1 minute candles is plenty of room to make a trade here. Would I trade this? Still no. Still no. I wouldn't touch that with a 10-foot pole, even if it goes back up. Okay, so we're going to get off the 30-second now. We have pretty much the idea. Bat fractal down. We have a bottoming cat. Tail passes the right ear. You can long this. And that's non-financial advice. He'll come back and break above the 0.5. His right ear is here, but we're going to go confirm it and clean the chart because we got what we want to know off of this. So we're going to go back on a 1 minute. You're not seeing the cat perfectly, but I'll show you the candles. All right. One, he already passed the right ear. The right ear is here. So usually very, very strong. It doesn't matter what happens next. He's coming back to break this again. All right. So risky, yes, but your cat is here and you're going to wait to see if the cat fails the tail. But again, he's already past this. So the fake out is if you know what you're looking at, you're judging it on a small little cat. Great, you're seeing it, but these grow. They're Elliott waves, correct? So they can do this and then go up. So you have to relate everything I'm saying to, let's go back to this. On a smaller time frame to what's going on. You can micro chart it. These are just confirmations of 0.5s. That's all they are. It's just like when you fucking buy Doge and it has like 75 confirmations before you get your money. So we're stuck in a range. This is our bottom. This 0.5 is our top. Once we break it and confirm we break it, then we're out of this range. We're now on this motherfucker again. And he is your big daddy.
Yeah, I
So,
am. Don't even fucking come over here, you little kids table. I'm the big daddy at the end. What's up? What's up? What's up?
now remember, I still haven't taken a trade here. It's not 100% clear to me because it's staying range bound. It's cooking, yes. But at this point, because it's range bound legit on the range is 0.5. So if you take half a box, we are just not broken out of this area. This is a 50-50 here. Okay, perfect. Now we're going to put them on the 1 minute. We're going to erase the chart. Ba-bam, erase chart. And we're going to look at a right wing up in progress. Remember, we talked about the bat sharing left, right, bottoming cat, tail. I told you the tail already passed the right ear. So, regardless of what happens, it's coming back up. Okay. Now we're waiting for the break of the high right here. The local high. If this bat fractal is kosher, you're going to do this now. Cat, bottom, retest, boom. Well, boom is exaggerated, okay? We'll start a boom. How's that? So now I'm going to go in my trading account, and I'm going to set myself for that trade. And I'm going to hit the button manually for that trade. So we're going to do
Turbo, question.
mhm.
Is it, can you give us some numbers when you do this so we have an idea of the numbers?
Oh my.
Is that too much?
Well, if I'm trading, it's yeah, somehow, because I'm in a trade right now.
Right.
But
I was just asking, just for the people that's not watching your charts, you know what I
you're
mean?
right. You're right. You're 100% right. I will make an
Numbers would be
effort to
fine.
make that
Super
happen
easy.
for you.
Or for like the newer people that don't know that you're scalping, you know what I mean, on the 1 minute. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Okay, we're waiting for a break of 269. 269. Anything below that is going to test for your 266 area, and that's non-financial advice. I'm trying to get into a long, and I'm not sure what numbers to give, but what's going to happen is that when you are in the group, you're going to be able to see the chart. And I am streaming this chart too on YouTube so they can see what I'm doing, to be fair. Um, yeah, it's just that it's hard because I'm trading very quickly for me to start calling out numbers. I'm more
Right.
like showing it legit. Lines on the chart, you cross it, it's going up. It's that
Right.
easy.
The numbers are moving too fast.
Numbers are moving too fast.
Right.
If we set up for a trade on a 15 minute, 1 hour, then yeah, I can start doing that for sure. But like at the moment, my trade is legit this candle, and my finger is on the sell button. Yeah, because I won't accept a loss. That's my goal. I can accept a loss, but within you know, my realm. There we go. There we go. It's having trouble. I'm gonna take that. Okay, that one I'm out. We only made 12%. I'm gonna wait. Let's see what I made. 12. No, not even 9%. And we're gonna re-put a trigger order on this one. Fast. Limit trigger. Because it's hesitating, I want the order to do it, not me, because that's the FOMO in me. And I feel weird about it for a second. If it follows my drawing, we're going to get a good trade here. So I'm ready for it. That's all. A good little scalp, it's okay. It's okay. Okay, if we are correct, they should buy it back real shortly. Let me finish this little move and try again. And we're gonna, I'm not sure actually. Wait, what am I looking at on it? Yeah, I'm on XRP on the other screen. Okay, cool. Let's see what happens. Okay, we're gonna try and take, no, didn't even give me a chance. Hold on. I'm gonna try to take 10% trades in these areas instead. There's one. We're gonna fucking nab them. This one pops, we're gonna keep him to that line on my screen. We'll see if it does or not. That line is about 273. We're having some resistance over here, my friends. Let's
Hey, I
filter.
have a question.
Yes, sir.
So, what are you guys using in the States to leverage?
Are you in Canada?
No, I'm in the U.S. I'm in Alabama.
Alabama. Okay, there's a BTCC you can use. You don't have to
Yes.
KYC if you don't want to. Non-financial advice, just saying. It works in the States.
KYC.
No, BTCC.
I'll send it to him right now.
There's also
Right.
Blowfin, if I'm not mistaken. There's the usual. I mean, there's a few of them. There's a lot of US guys in here, so I'm the Canadian.
But then I was using a couple other ones, but I think they're not available anymore.
Very possible.
The new one.
Mm-hmm.
I'm using Femex.
Oh, does Femex still work? Because I was using that one. Wait.
Working for me.
Okay, so we're taking the opposite direction on this at the moment. Your cat is growing. You still have your chance for your entry for your long. And we're gonna wait a second. There's a lot of shit going on the chart right here on the 1 minute. Look. So let's see what it does. Sometimes it doesn't know where it needs to go and that I drew the chart already. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. It's a joke. Until it happens. Oh, look at that. Shit. That's another 23 to go. We're going to take that. Okay. It's a great rush. Wow. Bam. Target hit. I'm always early.
Looks like XRP is going for the 3 though, because yeah.
Yeah,
It's
I'm
on
going for
fire.
the 3 too, but I'm accumulating it slowly. Excuse me.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay in my. I'm in an XRP 8x long. I'm just gonna stay
Mm-hmm.
in it until it gets to about like 290, and I'm gonna sell.
Mm-hmm. How do you like that reaction point? That was a good one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's door number 1 broken. That's good. This one's getting riskier. Door number 2, 270-ish, 275-ish. Sorry. Let's see what's going on. We have our inverted cat. Retest for a tail. You fail. You hold the 50. You try and come back up for a higher high. That's riskier and riskier, right? Because once you sweep on the inverted, the lows, we talked about this earlier on, it's a Wyckoff accumulation on the bottom. So the caution flag is if we come back for the highs, even if we miss them, we can come back, get them, sweep on the inverted, boom, to the 200. Let's say that becomes your bad fractal here. So we need the small time frames to cooperate with that thought, not to do this and just do this, which is drawn here, except it's taking more time. But you see now, for me and my trading, had I stayed in this right now, I would have given it back, right? Right. But no, it's in the account already. It's already in USDT. Then I come back in over here. Oh, what's the 0.5? I remake money on this move alone. Give me a second. You remake money on this move alone of what you just lost, or you already gained because you got out. This guy is already working for you until he doesn't, fine. But you get out. You already profited. So now I doubled. I did this profit. I got back in here. I'm doing this profit within the same range as if you're holding your position. So now I doubled this, and if it goes, I get the bonus. If it doesn't, whatever money I took out already over here, I can use as a petty cash for a stop loss or for what I'm willing to accept as a loss. Like right now, it's going the opposite direction, maybe. Who knows? I don't want to find out. I'm out. I lose $1. Big deal, which I just did, by the way. I just lost $1 on that. This is the trade. Position history, dollar, 28, ba-boom, download here. Okay, so that one's a fail. Fine, but I made, let's say, $23 on the other trade here. So I still made 21 something, and I didn't give it back. I gave $1 back. But if now it goes lower, then I'm giving the entire other profit back already, and the measured move into the negative if I don't get out. This is a beautiful spot, though. I'll tell you why. Because on the inverted, if you actually do go and pass this guy, that's the scalp line. They're usually pretty powerful moves. Bam. So you'll get your trade now that goes more and more in profit. I just trade more like a chicken that likes to put all his eggs in one basket. Okay, well, that was a lot of talking, and I'm gonna stop and do some shit here. And I'm gonna stop the YouTube as well.
That was great. Appreciate
Yeah,
that. Thank you.
anytime, buddy. Actually, let me check something on this. Here.
What a turnaround for the stock market. Insane. Did not think we'd start the month hard. Did. SMCI, big driver. And
What happened?
don't tell me that was in the chart.
Well, I'll draw it for you, but I didn't look at the chart. I mean, it's easy to say
22.
after, you
Yes,
know what I mean?
22% jump. Nobody saw that coming.
Yeah, I know. I like to challenge that, but no, you're right. You can't maybe tell how high it's gonna go, but you can see the buildup of the move.
Well, it's been
Future
crashing.
fibs can help,
It
but they're
went from
not definite.
17 to 42.
No, that's amazing. No, I hear you. I hear you. Yeah, yeah.
That's
for
all
sure.
based on, are they going to be?
All
No
right. Well,
fraud.
there goes your XRP. See you later. Bye bye.
Now remember that earnings come out in a few weeks, so be careful. Everybody's closing their books. I closed mine 3 days ago. I'm done for the year. I'll trade, but no. Any major positions? No. Because of the 30-day rule, closing in the end of October allows me to buy January 1.
Look at that volume coming into XRP.
Look at Rivian. Oh my God, that crashed from 12:45 to 11:60.
Watch
I'm
for
glad
that
I'm
pop
out.
and watch for that drop right after. If it happens here, be careful.
I can't believe I had 2,500 shares of SMCI just hit the file. One of my guys made a call based on today's earnings and buying a new BMW.
Okay, I just want to thank you two for joining, and we'll stream again later on or tomorrow in the morning. Thank